Hello, glad to see you again. I'm Joe. With the technology advanced, the hardware and software are upgraded fast. In the hospital, the old equipment can still function normally, but it is still not as good as the newly developed products. No matter you choose to continue using or upgrading the old equipment, you will still face some problems. Our client face this problem when they use the old medical-grade panel PC. First, the obsolete equipment part, and second, the menace of environmental health, and third, the recertification takes time. And now, let me tell you how we solve these problems. Today, I want to share with you the case study of using POC-17C-ULT3 as a Brainwave monitoring system, and it is a product can solve the problem of equipment upgrade. I think these three problems that I mentioned at the beginning is the problem that the medical staff will face today. First, obsolete equipment part. Although the IEI POC-17I has no problem and can still function normally, but some of its parts are no longer supported, and our client wants to improve the system performance. Therefore, our client is keen to look for a product which can replace the old one. And second, it's hard to clean the device. When designing the POC-17I, the corner which easily accumulate bacteria are reduced, but it is still hard to avoid. The bacteria grows on the surface and unable to conveniently clean the device. And third, its recertification takes time. Our client want to upgrade their equipment, but when they purchase the new equipment, they have to go through the certification process again, and which is not only time consuming, but also has a certain amount of expense. The IEI medical grade panel PC POC-17C-ULT3 is a product that not only can solve the above problem, but also can let the client use it with confidence. The components of new generation products are greatly updated and keep up with the time. The efficacy is greatly improved and it is more efficient to use. It has a low power consumption. It boasts a TDP of only 50 watt and it supports a TDP up of 25 watt and a TDP down of 7.5 watt, and reducing the power consumption by up to 79%. And the configurable TDP adjusts to current conditions, increasing the frequency for intensive tasks and decrease the frequency when the system is idled. And it can save the precious battery powered. And second is anti-bacterial design. The material of the equipment served is designed with antibacterial, according to the requirement of the client's needs. And the bacteria are not easy to breed. At the same time, the screen lock function is added to help medical staff to clean, and there is no need to worry about touching the screen during the disinfection and cleaning. And third, the entire equipment of POC-17C-ULT3 has passed the medical certification, and customer or system integrator are free from spending time and expense go to do the medical verification by themselves after purchasing the new machine, and which can efficiently save the cost and time. In addition to this function, the POC-17C-ULT3 also have some friendly features that can help medical staff reduce the workload. It has passed the IP65 waterproof and dustproof certification, and with the screen lock function, it is convenient for medical staff to clean with alcohol. So the cleaning is become easy, simple, and convenient. And second, the design of the built-in camera cover, and it not only can protect the privacy of patient, but also the maintenance of the camera lens. And third, its touch panel has passed the medical specification and can still be used even if it stands with the blood. And moreover, it also can let the medical staff use it with the gloves. The rich I/O interface is also one of its features. It has a 6 USB port, 2 for 2.0 and 4 for 3.0, and the e-window satisfied different inspection requirements, and it can be customized according to the client's needs, such as VoIP phone and mid-field RFID module and 3-in-1 card readers. And the above feature and function can be customized according to the requirement of customer, and providing a convenient operations and saving unnecessary expense for customer or medical staff. Choosing IAI medical grade panel PC POC-17C-ULT3 can bring you a great experience and a convenient working environment. And that's all today. If you like our video, don't forget to like and share this video, and follow our IAI Media account for the latest product information. And remember to watch the IAI premiered video every Tuesday at 8 a.m. And I will looking forward to see you next time. Bye bye.